drawing motivation from Pokémon personality-based universe. Axie Endlessness permits clients to procure tokens showing their gaming capacities, doing combating, gathering, raising, and building a land-based realm for their pets. Every one of the resources in Axie hereditary information are basically versatile outsiders that license the whole ecospace of designers to track down the premise of their own instruments and encounters. Established as of late in 2018, albeit the Axie convention is still in a beginning phase of its commencement, Axie has positioned the #1 Ethereum game and stays a top decision of every day, week by week, and month-to-month dynamic clients. Being a significant income worker for Ethereum, Axie Vastness has created more than 6,400 ETH up till now. From one perspective, Axie represents a gaming and diversion period. On the other, it mirrors a social obligationist team wherein it sets out work open doors for masses and fabricates a vibe of solid local area cutting the guide to a reasonable stage. Clients can possess the local Axie Limitlessness badge of the Axie Commercial Center, gather them, and use them across a steadily extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie Limitlessness convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. Benefits of blockchain go past boundaries and limits of only the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie Vastness, AXS, is set to make lives more enabled and quick. In a one-of-a-kind way, Axie Boundlessness Convention has likewise added to destroying the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They additionally came in bundles, be it excess expenses or speed or pretend of agents. It completely centers around offering the clients the advantage of proficient information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and immaculate, in this manner legitimizing its worldview job in the computerized eco-space. Axie Boundlessness Specialized Examination. With a market cap of $2,790,117,693.06 and an exchanging volume of $303,585,284.51, Axie Boundlessness ongoing cost activity reflects moderate rectification. The AXS cost weights around $45.88 and has many valid justifications to shock clients according to the most recent news reports in regards to the NFT blast. Axie Boundlessness has an ongoing circling supply of 60,907,500 AXS, and the originators behind Axie Limitlessness are exceptionally hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie Endlessness has a ton of vows to view for its fans according to their specialized examination. In view of our Axie Boundlessness estimate, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $505.415. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 1,000.59%. There is a slump anticipated in the long haul, and Axie Endlessness might lose sheen, showing a negative sign by the start of 2023, so fundamentally, this is the perfect opportunity to trade Axie Boundlessness or purchase Axie Limitlessness. As per our Axie Limitlessness gauge and specialized examination, the AXS cost could stay in an upturn and cross $63.54 before the current year's over, which will make it a wise venture. Axie Boundlessness cost has a promising future. It might get hardly influenced, yet bulls will be back, and around 2026, the anticipated cost of Axie Endlessness might skyrocket to $3,462.061, making it a wise speculation, and the pattern proceeds. Axie Boundlessness cost has a promising future. It might get possibly influenced, however bulls will be back, and around 2026, the anticipated cost of Axie Boundlessness might skyrocket to $3,462.061, making it a wise speculation, and the pattern proceeds. A ton of Axie Vastness projects are moving from the idea stage to the testing stage, and before the year's over, a lot of ventures would have been finished. Thus, an inside and out bullish forecast of $72 empowering dealers to harvest gain to sell Axie Boundlessness. Unpredictability is the intrinsic trait of Axie Limitlessness, thus any kind of outlandish value expectation would be a tough assignment. Nonetheless, going by the master value gauge and opinions, the mindset looks quite sure. Since the previous month, Axie limitlessness, AXS, cost has mirrored a huge convention. Will the most recent progressions assist the AXS with valuing to exchange higher? We should continue with the fair crypto figure for the AXS token. Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for cryptographic money markets, AXS token is good to go to insist areas of strength for it has a significant fascination among its clients. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost taking Axie limitlessness shards, AXS, to cross all hindrances scaling the $63.54 mark. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2023. Axie Limitlessness, AXS, has laid out a quick, solid organization and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the AXS with instituting gain a lot more exorbitant cost of $74.11. On the off chance that the drive for practical crypto go on into 2023, the AXS cost might try and see a worldview rush, and clients can acquire significant benefit. Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2024. There are many Axie Endlessness figures going ahead for the token, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the corporate has plans on. There are presumptions that the AXS cost might reach $81.14. The blessing has been finished by significantly security and versatility highlights. The intriguing limited-time adventures might wrap up making the financial backers reap the additions. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2025. AXS's dynamic and local area drives. Taking into account they keep up force gathering a huge market capitalization, their drives zeroing in on schooling, effort, and developments might take them to an obvious degree of $99.48. In a drawn-out situation for Axie vastness figure, say around 2026, the AXS token cost is set to get pace with other digital currencies to show up at a cost of $160 plainly. A stunning good faith is likewise anticipated for AXS, essentially because of its predictable exhibition throughout the long term. Axie vastness will settle to bring chivalrous returns for its financial backers. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2026. From the outset of this current year, there is a hold of bear markets on Axie Endlessness, AXS. The token was exchanging around its help levels, however it has checked gigantic potential gain energy from the previous month. This advanced resource is set to break all boundaries and perform richly, scaling its vital